Dear students, welcome to the online classes program of Higher Education Department, Punjab. It is Department of English Language and Literature of Government Postgraduate College, EdTech. Here, I am Sharif Zahid, Assistant Professor of English.
Okay, in the last lecture, we went through the preparatory phase prior to making a jump. And let us start from the next lines. Gloriana Emerson says she is expressing her story in the first person pronoun using I. She says, I wanted all of it. All of it is that something bold, something brave, something unique, something big enough so that it must be remembered for longer time. I wanted all of it. The rising of a tiny plane with the door off. So her plane was a small plane. The earth rushing away, the plane, the slap of the wind. So now she is thinking all about. This is the thought process going on in a type of stream of consciousness way. So she is thinking all those incidents she will come across while taking that plunge. The slap of the winds, my hands on the back straps, the huge curve of white silk above me, the drift through the space we call sky. So, all of these incidents she will have to face in the next moments to come. I looked pale green that morning. It means he was afraid of. I fell into it when the moment came. Not the baby blue I expected means I was not much afraid of. Had it been so, I must have been crying. So I wasn't crying, rather, I had certain fears in my mind. My cheeks were wet. Only the thumbs of a wild heart made noise. Only there was the noise of my heart beat. I did not know how to keep it quiet, as it is but natural that heart starts beating and does not come to an end, because if it stops, then everything stops. That May, that May, my mind was as clear as clay, means I had decided finally to go through that experience. I did not have the imagination to perceive the risks. So, for a better understanding, if I read so that I did not have the imagination to understand that if the wind grew nasty, I might be electrocuted on high tension wires. So, there is a risk that because of the smash of the winds or heavy winds, I may be thrown somewhere else, smashed on a roof, drowned in water, hanged in a tree. So, all these possibilities are there before the parachute jumpers. I was sure nothing would happen because my intentions were so good, just as young soldiers start out certain of their safety because they know nothing. So, it means she had a clear concept in her mind that come what may, whether the experience goes in a pleasant way or otherwise, I shall have to make this jump finally. Friends drove me to Orange, Massachusetts, 70 miles west of Boston. The place, the destination, or the camp, or the base from where she had to take off for the opening of the first US Sports Parachuting Center where I was to perform. So she reached over there. It was the creation, the passion of a Princetonian and ex-Marine named Jacques Eisel, who organized the first US jumping team in 1956. So, various contests, rather various matches were arranged by this training center. So, the words of her teacher are coming across to her ear now. Parachuting was as safe as swimming. he kept saying, calling it the world's most stimulating and soul satisfying sport. His center was for competitions and the teaching of sky diving. So, as it was a training camp, definitely the teacher has to inspire the student, motivate them, encourage them. His center was for competitions and the teaching of skydiving. Instead of hurtling toward the earth, skydivers maintain a swan dive position like a bird, using the air as a cushion to support them while they maneuver with legs. So they keep on trying with the help of their arms and legs and arm movements until the ripcord must be pulled, until a rope is pulled, and because of the pulling of that rope, parachute opens, and then they feel safe. None of that stuff was expected from any of us in the little beginners class, as any of the beginner class has no more experience of jumping earlier, so they had in their mind mixed feelings of fear, feeling of success, feelings of joy. We were only to jump after brief but intense instruction with Isle's newly designed parachute to show that any dog could do it, whether we were daring, bold, or we were opposite to that. We had to jump. It was a parachute with a 32-foot canopy, a large cut-out hole funneled escaping air. So there was a hole made because of the passage of the air. You steered with two wooden knobs instead of having to pull hard on the bag straps or risers. The arrangements were made in a way so that no beginner should come back, rather, he is to be pushed forward with the help of other member. The new parachute increased lateral speed, slowed down the rate of descent, and reduced oscillation, means hanging in the air. We were told we could even land standing up, but that we should bend our knees and lean to one side because it is safer for the parachute jumper to lean forward and then drop on a single side. The beginners jumped at 8 am. The expert skydivers performed their dazzling tricks later when a crowd came. So, those who are well experienced, they enjoy diving. Two of us boarded a Cessna 180, name of the aircraft, two companion. That lovely morning, the wind no more than a tickle, so I was not myself, means I was unable to decide, not in a peaceful mood, no longer thin and no longer fast, what to do and what not. The jumpsuit, the equipment, the helmet, the boots. So, all this special dress is made for parachute jumpers. Had made me into some thick and clumsy, so I was looking clumsy. I was feeling heavyweight, moving as strangely as if they had put me underwater. So, definitely, the normal walking or gait of the person is disturbed in this suit, and said, I must walk, but I had to walk. So, I was walking in a strange way. It was hard to bend, to sit, to stand up. Means in any position the suit was not comfortable, whether to bend forward, to sit down, or to stand up. I did not like the man with me. He was eager and composed, although he felt satisfied, but I was feeling afraid of. I wanted to smoke, to go to bathroom, but there were many straps around me, so I had to clear away this idea that I did not understand. At 2300 feet, the hateful, difficult, happy man went out, making a dumb thumbs up sign, means get ready. Now you are to jump down. When my turn came, I suddenly felt a stab of pain for all the forgotten soldiers who bugged and were kicked out, perhaps shot. Means it is not an easy decision. So, whether the person is willing or not, so there are seniors who throw him out of the aircraft and he has to accept it. Right, we shall start from here because the story is getting more attractive over here. So we shall start in the next lesson. Thank you very much for happy watching and patient listening. Allah Hafiz.